If you've ever found yourself dreading the thought of spending 10 or more hours cramped in an economy class seat, you're not alone. Long-haul flights can be a challenge, but with the right preparation, you can make your journey more bearable, perhaps even enjoyable. In today's video, we're sharing essential tips to help you survive and thrive on your next long-haul flight in economy class. Choose the right seat. Your seat choice can make a significant difference in your comfort. When booking, aim for an aisle seat for easy access to the lavatory or stretching your legs. Alternatively, if you're hoping to catch some sleep, a window seat may be preferable, as it gives you something to lean against and avoids disturbances from other passengers. Use tools like Seat Guru to check the best seats on your aircraft and avoid those with limited recline or proximity to the galley or toilets. Dress comfortably. What you wear on a long flight can impact how you feel. Opt for loose, breathable clothing that allows for movement and comfort. Layers are essential as cabin temperatures can vary. Think a light jacket or a shawl that can double as a blanket. Don't forget to wear compression socks to help with circulation and reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis. Stay hydrated. Airplane cabins are notoriously dry, which can lead to dehydration. Bring a reusable water bottle and ask the flight attendants to fill it up. Aim to drink at least 250 ml of water every hour. Avoid alcohol and caffeine as they can further dehydrate you and disrupt your sleep. Consider using a hydrating facial mist and moisturizer to keep your skin from drying out. Bring a comfort kit. Long-haul flights often provide basic amenities, but packing your own comfort kit ensures you have everything you need. Include an eye mask, earplugs, and noise-cancelling headphones to help block out light and noise. A neck pillow can make a significant difference in preventing neck strain. If you're prone to dry eyes or sinuses, pack eye drops and a nasal spray. Plan your meals. Airplane food isn't known for its quality, and meal times may not align with your regular eating schedule. Pack healthy snacks like nuts, fruit, or protein bars to keep your energy levels up. If you have dietary restrictions, consider pre-ordering a special meal to ensure your needs are met. Eating light before and during the flight can help prevent indigestion and bloating, which are common at high altitudes. Move and stretch. Regularly sitting for extended periods can lead to discomfort and potential health risks. Make a point to get up and walk around every couple of hours. Simple in-seat exercises like ankle rotations, shoulder rolls, and stretching your legs can help keep your circulation flowing and reduce stiffness. Some airlines provide exercise videos on in-flight entertainment systems, so take advantage of these if available. Optimize your sleep. Getting rest on a long flight can be challenging, but a few strategies can help. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before your trip to align with your destination's time zone. Use a travel blanket or large scarf to keep warm and make your seat feel cozier. Set your watch to your destination's time as soon as you board to mentally prepare for the time change. If you struggle to sleep, consider natural sleep aids like melatonin, but consult your doctor beforehand. Stay entertained. Boredom can make a long flight feel even longer. Prepare for this by downloading movies, podcasts, or audiobooks to your devices before your flight. Many airlines offer in-flight entertainment, but having your own selection ensures you have content you enjoy. Consider bringing a book or puzzle game for offline entertainment. Don't forget to pack a power bank to keep your devices charged throughout the journey. Look after your health. Long flights can take a toll on your body, so it's important to look after your health. Wash your hands frequently and use hand sanitizer to reduce the risk of picking up germs. Stay mindful of your posture to avoid back pain. Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. If you wear contact lenses, consider switching to glasses to prevent dry eyes. Lastly, be aware of jet lag symptoms and give yourself time to adjust once you land. By following these tips, you can turn a potentially uncomfortable long-haul flight into a manageable, even pleasant experience. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, being well prepared will help you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to go.